May God bless you. Today we are going to learn about components of food. But before we commence, let me just brush up briefly what we had studied in the previous chapter. We learnt that all living organisms need food for carrying out their life activities. We also learnt that depending upon their mode of eating habits, animals are grouped as herbivores, carnivores and omnivores basically. Today we are going to learn about components of food. As we have previously studied that all organisms require food. Now we will study about the nutrients of food. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals are the essential components of food, which are called nutrients. In other words, a nutrient can also be defined as component that is needed by a body to grow, survive and carry on different daily activities. Additionally, food also contains water and dietary fibers, that is roughage. Now let me explain to you the major nutrients of food. The first being carbohydrate. Its main function is to provide energy to our body. It is found in the form of sugar and starch, that is simple and complex carbohydrates. The complex carbohydrates are found in wheat grain, white bread, cakes, etc. They are capable of raising the blood glucose level but slowly. Simple carbohydrates are known as simple sugars. They are found in milk, fruits and vegetables. They raise the blood glucose level quickly. Cellulose, found in plant cell wall, is a complex carbohydrate and humans cannot digest it. Fats act as fuel in our body and also as reserved bank of energy in our body because they provide energy more than carbohydrates. They can be derived both from plants and animal sources. Proteins, as we all know, is a bodybuilding food found in animal sources such as eggs, fish, meat, milk, cheese, etc. Plant sources being pulses, beans, etc. break down into amino acids which cannot be absorbed into the blood. Vitamins and minerals are protective foods found in fruits, vegetables, fish liver oil, milk, eggs, etc. Please refer to Table 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 and 2.7 for vitamins, minerals, their functions, sources and the deficiency diseases caused due to lack of them. Now let me explain to you what a balanced diet is. It is the food intake that includes all the dietary needs of the organism in correct proportion. Hence, we must always make sure to include all nutrients in our food and drink an adequate amount of water to maintain a healthy body. Improper intake of nutrient-rich food may lead to a condition called malnutrition, which results in brittle bones, weak muscles and foggy thinking. It also leads to two types of protein energy malnutrition diseases. Kwashiorkor, a severe protein deficiency disease, mainly occurs in rural areas. It results in puffy appearance, inability to gain weight, etc. The next being marasmus, the major symptoms of which are chronic diarrhea, weight loss, dehydration and stomach shrinkage. Opposite to these, there is another medical condition called obesity, which results from excess intake of fat-rich food and lack of proper physical immobility. This may lead to diseases like heart attack, diabetes, hypertension, etc. With this, I would like to wind up, and I would like to quote a few lines, that is, aim for success, not perfection. Never give up your right to be wrong, because then you will lose the ability to learn new things and move forward with your life. Remember that fear always lurks behind perfection. Thank you.